In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Wix website under construction 2025. Put Wix website under maintenance. We'll create a clean branded under construction experience using Wix's built-in 404 error page. This is a quick, no-code method that lets visitors know you're working behind the scenes while keeping your main pages untouched. Start by opening your Wix editor for the site you want to update. Once you're in the editor, head to the Pages panel on the left. This is where you manage all pages for your site. Open it, then choose the option to add a new page. In the Page Picker, scroll to the System Pages section and select the 404 error page. This special page appears when someone lands on a link that doesn't exist or is temporarily unavailable. When Wix prompts you to choose a style, select the illustrated option. It's a simple, friendly layout that works well for maintenance messaging. Confirm by clicking Add Page to insert it into your site. If you see a second Add Page confirmation, go ahead and confirm again. Wix may ask twice depending on your current site setup. Next, preview the default error page so you can see what your visitors will experience. Use the preview controls to open the default 404 page and let it load. If Wix opens it in a new tab, click through to the 404 preview so you can review the layout in context. Back in the editor, click directly on the highlighted elements on the page to personalize them. Update the headline to something clear like, "We're doing maintenance," or "This page is under construction." Add a short note below it with a friendly time frame, or a simple, "Please check back soon." You can also click the highlighted image area to swap in an illustration or icon that matches your brand. Keep it minimal and readable so the message is unmistakable. When you're happy with the wording and visuals, click Publish in the top right to push your changes live. Wix will confirm that your site has been updated. Click Done to close the dialog and return to the editor. From this point on, whenever someone visits a missing or temporarily disabled URL on your site, they'll see your polished under construction message.